What's up, guys? I've got my hands on the future and it's called the iPhone 16e. This thing is insane. Apple's really outdone themselves with the design this time. We're looking at a sleek, modern body that's thinner than ever, but don't let that fool you. It's tough as nails. The new titanium frame isn't just for show, it's seriously durable and feels amazing in hand. Oh, and get this. They've added this cool new color they're calling Nebula Blue. But the real star of the show? That display. It's like they took everything great about the iPhone 15 screen and cranked it up to 11. We're talking about a new Super Retina XDR OLED that's brighter, more vibrant, and somehow manages to use less power. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The A18 Bionic chip in this thing, it's an absolute beast. I've been running benchmarks all day, and let me tell you, it blows the iPhone 15 out of the water. We're seeing like a 20% increase in CPU performance and a 30% boost in graphics. That means smoother gaming, faster app launches, and better multitasking than ever before. The camera system is next level too. Apple's added a new periscope lens that gives you 10x optical zoom. That's insane for a phone this thin. And don't even get me started on the low light performance. It's like this thing can see in the dark. Oh, and yeah, battery life, you guys, it's ridiculous. I'm talking like 2 full days of heavy use. It's a game changer, seriously.